The Meghalaya government plans to upgrade around 2,000 Anganwadi centers into early childhood development centers over the next 2 years. This initiative aims to enhance early childhood care through improved facilities and training, marking Meghalaya as the first state to launch an early childhood mission. The program will provide better nutrition and education for children and mothers, supported by various sectors and organizations.
We also actually, have a massive program to upgrade all the Anganwadi centers as ECD centers, in the sense like they will be able to provide better learning and an experience for the children when they go to the Anganwadi centers. So for that, again, we have been actually taking some very top architects to think about it, very innovative designs, how actually the Anganwadi center can provide such kind of a learning environment